How to copy and paste between split screens on your Android device. Often I find myself browsing between different tabs on my phone and needing to copy and paste text between each tab. There is an easy way to do this, and I'm going to show you how. Okay, first, say for example, I'm looking in Chrome and I'm looking at a recipe for a cake. Next, what I want to do is click on the three lines in the bottom left corner of the screen, then tap on the top and then open in split screen view. Next, I'm going to choose the second app that I would like to open up in split screen view, and then for this one I'm going to use Notes. I'm just going to click on Notes. Okay, so now I'm back on the recipe page. So if I scroll down to find the ingredients, then I'm going to select all of them, and I could click copy and then click on the notes page and then paste it. Alternatively, if I just hold down on the selected text, it will then pick it up and I can drag it down to notes, and as you can see there, it's pasted it straight into the notes. And that's all it takes to copy and paste text between different tabs on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Thanks for watching.